Cheers. Hello, guy. Happy Easter. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Let's make Easter drink or any occasion drink, okay? I hope you are doing well. If today is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Family Chef. Nice to meet you. I know Easter people don't celebrate it that much, but maybe in case you get a visitor, get your strawberry, okay? You can use orange. You can see I make some here. Just make fancy drink. This is how I cut my strawberry. You get a strawberry like this. You cut it in slice downwards like this. All right. Okay. Then you grab your ice cube chest like this. If you don't have it, you can use a small cup. This one, this side goes down like that. Sorry about that. This side goes down to the hole. Okay. Then another side goes. Another side goes. Let me put the camera straight so you can see. I'm putting the camera straight so you can see. The slices, you get it from here, okay? This side goes down like that, okay? Another side goes down. It's a little striply. Come on. Goes down. All right. We're trying to make something like a flower. We just design. You see how it looks? That's it. All right. Let's make another one, then we'll finish. Okay, let's put last one. All you are trying to do is trying to make like a shape of flower. It doesn't look beautiful. Okay, now I have all kinds of drink here. I have this one. They call it Grenadine. It's just white, red liquid that they used to mix. If you don't have it, you can use your red wine if you don't mind for alcohol. Or you can use your vodka. Why not? It's Easter. If you want a little boost. If you don't want to have any alcohol, don't take vodka. Don't take yellowtail wine. Take this liquid or any cranberry juice, any red stuff, okay? Or you can just use water here. Put water. If you don't have anything, just put water. I like it fancy, so I'm going to put a little Grenadine here. The red stuff here. That's it. All right, now I'm done. I'm going to put this on freezer until it becomes ice. Please don't worry yourself. Use water, okay? If you don't have anything, you can use water or any liquid, anything that you want to fill in the strawberry. If you want to get a little alcohol, like I said, you can use vodka or wine or anything or water. So see you until it becomes ice. One thing is great about this individual ices. If someone need alcohol, all you do is just open your alcohol and pour some in some of the cubes, okay? So someone need alcohol, maybe 2 of those. The last 2, this is for alcohol. So if you need alcohol, we use this 2 for the people who want a boost. The rest is just the red liquid that doesn't have alcohol. You can use cranberry juice. Okay, see you. Okay, our ice is ready. We have our 2 glasses here. One for if you like alcohol, one for soft one. These two little ones is for alcohol, and this is just regular. Let's see if you can get it out. Ooh, that is nice. Now let's see. Looks good. Now let's put this in the glass. Is it not beautiful? Happy Easter. Let's pour it. Okay, this one goes in. This is the alcohol one. This is no alcohol. It doesn't look amazing. Okay, now what are we gonna do with this? We are going to pour any soft drink. Now I have a Sprite with lemon lime. So let's open it. Any drink of your choice, any bubble drink of your choice. Okay, let's pour our drink in. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Remember, this is one with the vodka, so it has a little bit of alcohol, and this don't have any alcohol on it. This is soft drink. This is the drink you can make for your guests. It doesn't look amazing. It looks so amazing, pretty, beautiful, and appetites. All right, so this is the drink I'm showing you. You can make for your Easter guests. Like I said, if you like a little alcohol, all you do is fill the ice pot with a little bit of vodka. All right, this is the end of my drink. Happy Easter, happy holidays. Next time I will bring another way to surprise your guests. You put this on the table with a little bit of food or anything you serve. The person will be so happy. Happy holidays. Okay, let's make a cheers. Cheers. Let me try. Oh my God. I can feel the strawberry. I can kick a little bit of the vodka. It looks so pretty and amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Next time I will bring more recipe and pretty drink. Happy Easter, happy holidays. Bye bye. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone, and remember, Christ died for your sin. So remember, forgiveness is the peace of your heart. All right, bye.